So together we decided and try to find a solution. And we thought, well, if the blog and the SEO teams are doing really well with what they're doing, why don't we try to apply some of that to our on-demand webinar content? So we structured our transcripts into blogs that would tell a story, and then the webinar would bring it to life. So I picked a few top performing webinars. These were webinars that I knew would translate really well into blog. We had a really high attendance rate during the live webinar. They were highly engaged, and the speakers brought a lot of examples with them. What we did was we used rev.com to do our transcripts because at the time, Content Lab was still in production. Then I worked closely with our SEO team, and we restructured those transcripts into the blog format. We also then took the examples from the speakers in the webinar and we put those within the blog to try to keep it visually interesting as well as while you're reading it. And then afterwards, we had a call to action that if you wanted to watch the webinar live, you could do it. And it was all within one single page. So anybody who was coming and finding these webinars could read basically a blog or a synopsis about it. And if they wanted to, they didn't have to leave and try to find the webinar. They could register right then and there and get that on-demand webinar that they can then watch. And then from there, we optimized it for search.